Hi guys, welcome sa ating YouTube channel. So bago po tayo magsimula, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So ito nga pala ang new update ng ating Descent. So ito po yung bagong event nila, Discover Insight. So ano nga ba ang Descent? Descent, we are preparing a new insight service that gathers real-time popular trend information in one place. Our Insight service features as a user-friendly UI that allows you to easily compare the latest cryptocurrency trends in the market and provides fresh information updated every 5 minutes. So, ito po yung new update nila. So, nag-update po sa every 5 minutes. So, become a Descent supporters and discover insights into your investment through comparative training, laying the foundation for a smart and informed investing. So ano po guys, yan Descent Insight service exclusively open to participating Descent supporters, first offering you the opportunity to freely explore the service during the Descent period. So how to apply? Ito po yung makikita po natin dyan. Application period September 11, 2023 to September 17, 2023. Eligibility: anyone who wants to have their own insights into the cryptocurrency market. Application method: apply through join as a Descent supporter. Announcement of supporter selection: individual notification will be sent to the email address provided on September 18, 2023. Supporter activity period September 18 to October 4, 2023. So what to do? Selected supporters will receive a URL to access the Insight service via the email address provided during the application. And during the activity period, please create your own insights and share experience using the Insight service through a survey. Takes up to 10 minutes. So yun po guys, dito po yung supporters benefit natin. After completing the survey following supporter activities, we will send a certificate for your supporter activities as a NFT. So click nyo lang po yung join a Descent supporter guys. So ayan na nga guys, dito na po tayo sa nilang docs document. The more you compare, the more opportunities you discover. Descent supporters record. So ayan guys, nakita po natin dyan. So dito nga po sa baba, mayroon po ditong input your email address and your country. So input po niya natin yung email. Example yung sa akin. Choose country. Okay, country dito sa Philippines. Philippine country. Ano ba yan? Yan guys. So yan guys, submit nyo lang yan. Yan na po. The more you compare, the more opportunities. So ayan, thank you for applying as a Descent supporters. Those who are selected will be contacted by the users. So kung sino po yung mapili nila, i-contact nyo lang po nila yung email natin. So ayan guys, napakadali lang. Ito po yung bagong update ang Descent. So balik po tayo doon sa Descent Insight. So ito po, makita po natin shop dito kung gusto natin bumili ng Descent crypto wallet. So ito po yung product nila. Choose your product. Meron po ditong biometric wallet, biometric 2 times package. Meron po tayong cable, 2-in-1 leather case block, all-in-one card wallet, all-in-one card wallet, backup card package, at backup card only works with Descent card wallet. So click nyo lang po yan dyan kung alin ang orderin nyo. So balik po tayo doon. So, para naman sa mag-download ng app sa Descent, click nyo lang yung download Descent app. dyan nakikita po natin yan sa baba. So ayan guys, sa ating mag-download ng Decent app. So dahil meron po tayo na po ako dito ng Decent app. Ito po yung Decent app. So connect lang din po nyo yung Decent crypto wallet nyo. So buy nyo lang yan, on nyo lang po yung Bluetooth, mabay nyo po. So ayan po ang ating coin. Ito po, meron po tayong BTC, Bitcoin. Alin ng coin ang ang isi-send nyo or receive, click nyo lang yan dyan, yung receive at send. Dito naman sa iba, ganoon lang din po yung process, send at receive. Click nyo lang yan dyan kung anong coins ang ginagamit nyo. So ayan guys, thank you for watching and God bless. Hindi pa subscribe na po kayo sa ating YouTube channel. Thank you.